Hello friends, this is Dr. Pankaj Kumar. Right now I am in front of you with my book Mind Maps. So today I am just going to tell you that what exactly is a mind maps and how we are going to study with the help of this mind maps. First of all, the very first question, what is mind map? You know, mind map is such a technique in which what we do, we collect all the informations, right, and we try to depict everything in one page. Okay, so the advantage is that we can learn the correlation among the different things. Okay, I can give you an example. For instance, suppose if you're talking about inferences, right? So in case of inferences, you know very well that racemose, cymose, even in case of racemose, what are the type of racemose, right? So if one page, if you get that what are the different type of racemose, what are the examples, right? So in one go, you can really recollect the things. This is all about the mind maps. So in this book, what we are going to cover, we are going to cover the class 11 mind maps, which includes the chapter of taxonomy, diversity, cell biology, biomolecules, plant physiology, animal physiology, and morphology as well. Okay, so these are the things that is included over there. Now, the most important question is that how to take advantage of this and how to incorporate this particular book in our day-to-day studies. First of all, this is not a substitute to your textbook. No, you have to read the textbook, right? You have to do everything. So, you see, what is the general practice? The general practice is that first of all, what you do, you study the things, right? And you just prepare your own notes. So you have to do the same things, right? But after that, once you are done with the preparing your own notes, what you have to do, you have to see the relevant chapter in the mind maps and figure it out that what are the things that is actually being missed, right? So once you identify these are the things are missed, you can add up. And once you've done up all these things along with your study of the textbook, then the preparation of your own notes, and then correlative study with the mind maps, next time when you want to recollect all those things, you have to simply go to the mind maps. Everything will be done in one go. So that is the advantage of mind maps. Okay, one more thing, you know, what is the big challenge just before the examinations? You know, your examination is just, let it be say 30 days. You are getting a gap of 30 days after your board exam, right? Then in that 30 days, the biggest challenge is that how we can revise or how we can recollect all those important points. This is the point where this mind maps is going to be absolutely handy to it. Everything is written while keeping in view the NEET examinations, right? So what are the aspects that is being covered in the different NEET examinations, right? So these are the entire mind maps has been designed like that. I hope this book will help you a lot. My email ID is already given over there, right? So in case of any suggestions or in case of anything you want to say about that books, you are most welcome, right? Thank you.